Hello. Are you looking for a fast and professional locksmith services? We can help. We are a local locksmith service company, offering 24 hours emergency door opening and key making. We offer residential, commercial and auto locksmith services including lock repair, new locks installation, lock opening, rekey, new keys, master lock services, and much more. Do you need to increase the security at your home or business? No problem. Ask us about our high security locks and entry systems. Please call us at 714-367-4077, and we will take care of your issue in no time.